Hello, today we're going to talk about some of the basic functions in MemoryNS. What will we focus on? Logging in, homepage items such as the plus button, quick links, and the browsing options. And I'll show you how to search with the Explore function and how to move forward and how to move back. The goal of this video is to understand how to navigate through MemoryNS without issue. And now that I've told you what we're going to work on today, I will show you on the website. First, type MemoryNS.ca into your search bar and you'll see this first screen. And on the right side of the screen, you're able to log in. And you can enter your email and your password. My information is already present, so I can just log in. I recommend doing this because it allows you to see all of the functions within MemoryNS, including draft versions of archival description and authority records. If you look at the bar on the top right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Add or Plus button, which allows you to add your archival descriptions and your authority records, as well as the Quick Links button, which allows you to get help or watch tutorial videos that will be helpful for you. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Browse options. There's Browse on the home page as well as in the drop-down menu. These contain the same information as archival descriptions, archival institutions, names or authority records, subjects, places, and digital objects. Now that we've done that, let's do a basic search in the search box. So when I do a basic search for Lynn Jones, you'll see that an entire list comes up related to her. Let's click on the first link. If you look on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see Browse as a List and Browse Digital Objects. Let's look Browse as a List. This gives you the full list of all the items related to Lynn Jones. And the first one is the font level or top level description. This tells you all the related information about her, especially on the left-hand side of the screen in the Holdings function. But if we look back to the Explore function, Browse Digital Objects, we can see all images that are represented within this font. To see the next page, click the Next button. This is how you move forward and back when you're looking at digital objects or going through lists on MemoryNS. These are all the basic functions that you'll need to know while navigating through MemoryNS. Thank you very much for watching.